الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الكريم أما بعد. The 99 names of Allah: Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, As-Salam, Al-Mu'min, Al-Muhaymin, Al-Aziz, Al-Jabbar, Al-Mutakabbir, Al-Khaliq, Al-Bari, Al-Musawwir, Al-Ghaffar, Al-Qahhar, Al-Wahhab, Al-Razzaq, Al-Fattah, Al-Ali, Al-Qadis, Al-Hafiz, 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 Al-Mu'iz, Al-Muzil, Al-Sami, Al-Bashir, Al-Hakam, Al-Adil, Al-Latif, Al-Khabir, Al-Halim, Al-Azim, Al-Ghafur, Al-Shakur, Al-Ali, Al-Kabir, Al-Hafiz, Al-Muqit, Al-Hazim, Al-Jalil, Al-Qarib, Al-Raqib, Al-Mujib, Al-Wasi, Al-Hakim, Al-Wadud, Al-Majid, Al-Baish, Al-Ahad, As-Samad, Al-Qadir, Al-Muqtadir, Al-Muqaddim, Al-Mu'akhir, Al-Awwal, Al-Akhir, Al-Zahir, Al-Batin, Al-Wali, Al-Hamid, Al-Muhsi, Al-Mubdi, Al-Mu'id, Al-Mumit, Al-Hayy, Al-Qayyum, Al-Wajid, Al-Majid, Al-Ahid, As-Samad, Al-Qadir, Al-Muqtadir, Al-Muqaddim, Al-Mu'akhir, Al-Awwal, Al-Akhir, Al-Zahir,